I just want to give you something to check out. It's amazing. This company called Captions. I've used them before. I used to have just their mobile app. It was very simple before to just create a video, have your captions on there. That's the reason why it's called Captions. However, they just released the latest release. Probably one of the most amazing freaking things that I think I've seen. I had an inspiration for a video, and I had seen an ad for Captions, the new updates, where it kind of does a video for you. All you do is provided a script. I decided to use it. And so I did the video, did the script real quick. Essentially, in a span of about 5 minutes, I was able to create a video that was usable for TikTok, for YouTube Shorts, and for Instagram Reels. And I want to show it to you now. On the screen, I'm on my desktop, by the way, or I'm on my laptop. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go over here to AI creators. Okay, so AI creators, you can use different characters to create AI avatars. And the avatars already exist, it's just a matter of using them. So I'm gonna do something called prompt to video. This is what I did last night. So it says here, type something to generate a script. Now, last night I wrote the whole script myself. It was on top of my head. But in this scenario, I'm going to say, show me the 3 top things to do to make money. And so here it is. Here's your script. Now you can sit here, you can modify it. You don't have to take it as is. You can hit this refresh and it'll actually create a whole nother script, the same topic in mind. And you can go in there, you can clean that up. So I'm gonna go to edit style. Now this is the style that I want my video to have, right? So on the left, you see all of these avatars, and these are the avatars you could use. The one I like the best, that's been most effective for me right now, is this one. And then over the right is the captions. Now I created a new template, my own captions that fit the brand of my company. I selected that there, and you could do that. You can create new templates and have your branding on there. I'm gonna say generate video. Now this is the part where I'm just gonna have to stop this video and then come back when it's done so that you can see what it looks like, because it does take a while. It took me only like 5 minutes to set everything up, and it took probably about 20 minutes for it to generate the video. But once it was generated, it was better than most videos that I do when I'm actually filming myself. So anyways, I'll come back when this thing is done. All right, we have it finished right over here. All right, click on this section. It'll take me to the editor, and it'll show you the video that it created. You'll see up here, they have the different setups. So we're set up as vertical because that's what we asked for. Let's see what it created for us. I'm gonna turn this up, see what happens.
Hey there, hustlers. Want to turn your Wi-Fi connection into cold, hard cash? Listen up. First, unleash your inner wordsmith and dive into freelance writing. Websites, blogs, social media, the digital world is starving for content. Next, become a virtual assistant. From managing emails to scheduling appointments, finally, start drop shipping. Find hot products, set up an online store, and let suppliers handle the rest. You're basically printing money. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight, but with persistence, you'll be swimming in digital dough in no time. Now go forth and conquer the online money-making world.
I mean, obviously you can see it's AI. If you edit this, there's some pauses and stuff in that the AI does. If you edit it and if you cut away, so this is the other thing, is you can add cuts. So if I'm sitting here, if I go to media, I can slide over here to certain points and I could say, okay, start drop shipping. And if I'll sit there and I type in like Amazon, hopefully they'll have some Amazon stuff, right? Online shopping. I can sit here and I can overlay certain items, and then I can make these items expand out full screen. So I can essentially mask. That's kind of what we're doing, right? We're kind of masking some of the inflections that kind of make it look like AI.
Finally, start drop shipping. Find hot products, set up an online store.
Think about it. We've done nothing. We've literally done nothing. We've created a whole video. We've created a video without having to do any real work. So then I can just go up here to export. 24 frames per second is most popular, and it's because that's the cinematic frames per second. Then you export, and you now have a video you can post up to TikTok.